Chapter name, integrals. Integrals. Exercise number. Exercise number 7.2. Question number 23.
Sir, you're on mute, sir.
Sin inverse x by root 1 minus x square dx. Put sin inverse x equal to t. Put sin inverse x equal to t. Do you know differentiate both sides with respect to x? D by dx of sin inverse x is equal to dt by dx. Sin inverse x differentiation 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx equal to dt. This dx I am taking that side. D by dx of sin inverse x 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Sin inverse x we assumed as t here. Dx by root 1 minus x square is dt. T power 2 by 2 plus c, where t is sin inverse x. Copy this. 24, sum number 24.
Done, sir. Sir, you're on mute.
So here denominator I took 2 common out. Then you got 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. We assumed denominator equal to t. Then 3 cos x differentiation minus 3 sin x. 2 sin x differentiation 2 cos x. We are differentiating. So numerator, whatever the numerator is there, see. 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. We got numerator here. 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx equal to dt by t. Because we assumed 3 cos x plus 2 sin x as t. 1 by t dt log mod t. Where t is nothing but 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus c. Copy this.
Can you explain once again?
Definitely. Copy this then. Copy this. Shall I clear this? Kevin,
Yes, sir.
see numerator 2 cos x minus 3 sin x, denominator is this, correct or not? 2
Yes,
take in the denominator, 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. This denominator we assumed as t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. We are differentiating cos x differentiation minus sin x. Sin x differentiation cos x.
yes, sir.
Dx equal to dt. So denominator we assumed as t, then numerator we got. So 1 by d dt log mod t plus c, log mod 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus c. That's all. Shall I clear this?
Yes, yes, sir.
Problem number 25. Tell me, what is 25? Integral. Anybody, can you give me the idea, this problem? One by cos is secant. Try to understand. 1 by cos theta is secant theta.
So can we take
As it is.
1 minus tan x square as t?
Very good. Very good, Kevin. Put 1 minus tan x equal to t. Wonderful. Because tan x differentiation we know very well, secant square x. So denominator you are assuming as t, you are getting numerator. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. One differentiation 0, tan x differentiation secant square x. Minus dt by t. By t square, sorry, t square. Because 1 minus tan x is t. Minus right outside t power minus 2 dt. 1 by t square we are writing t power minus 2. You know x power n formula. N plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. What is t? 1 minus tan x. Copy this.
Sir, in the right side thoughts, what is the what is the power of t, sir?
What is Yashovardhan?
So write the third step. What is the power of t?
Minus 2. T power minus 2 plus 1 by x power n formula, you know. What is integral x power n? X power here we are using the formula x power n. What is x? T is x. What is n? What is n? N is minus 2.
-2, sir.
Minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. Twenty-five problem number. Now 26. Cos root x by root x dx. Put root x equal to t. Put root x equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. dy dx of root x is cos root x by root x. dy dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So integral cos t by 1 by root x dx is 2 dt. 2 right outside integral cos t dt. What is integral cos t sin t plus c? What is t root x? Two sin root x plus c. Twenty-sixth completed. 27th. Integral root sin 2x cos 2x dx.
So should we apply the UV rule for this?
No. Put sine 2x equal to t. Can you try? Put sine 2x equal to t. Differentiate both sides. Put sine 2x equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. dt by dx. Sine 2x differentiation cos 2x into 2. Cos 2x dx equal to dt by 2. Sine 2x is t. See here. Cos 2x dx is dt by 2. X power n formula n plus 1 by two to cancel. What is t here? Sine 2x. Next. Once again, shall I teach?
Yes, sir.
X we assumed as t. Sine 2x differentiation. You know, dy dx of sine x is cos x. Everybody knows. But in the place of x, 2x is there. 2x differentiation 2. Dx equal dt. Cos 2x dx equal dt by 2. 2 I am taking down. So we are substituting t power 1 by 2. Sine 2x is t. T power 1 by 2. T power 1 by 2 dt. X power n formula n plus 1 by n plus 1. We simplified. Last, finally, in the place of t, you put the sine 2x. 28th problem. Integral cos x dx by root 1 plus sin x. Tell me. Integral cos x dx by root 1 plus sin x. Put 1 plus sin x equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Right. Number one. Tell me. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. One differentiation 0. Sin x differentiation cos x dx equal dt. dt by root t. Because 1 plus sin x is t. 1 by t power root t is t power minus 1 by 2. You know, integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Reverse the fraction. T is 1 plus sin x. Any doubt, ask me. Ninth. Integral cot x log sin x. Can you try? Who got the answer? 29th. Log sin x equal to t. Log sin x differentiation, you know, d by dx of log x is 1 by x. D by dx of log sin x is equal to dt by dx. D by dx of log sin x is 1 by sin x. D by dx of sin x. Sin x differentiation cos x. Do you know cos by sin trigonometry formula? What is cos theta by sin theta?
Cot.
Cot theta. Very good. Cot x dx equal to dt. Once again, I am explaining. All of you listen carefully. Log sin x we assumed as t. Generally, we know the formula d by dx of log x formula 1 by x. This is basic formula. So this is in the form of log x 1 by x. See, d by dx of log x is 1 by x. In the place of x, what is there? Sin x. Sin x differentiation again. This is called chain rule. Sin x differentiation cos x. Cos by sin is cot x dx. Then integral
So you're on mute. Done, sir.
ninth, 30th sum. Integral sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. Tell me. Put 1 plus cos x equal to t. Proceed. All of you try, please. Put 1 plus cos x equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. D by dx of 1 plus cos x equal to oh. This minus will come this side. Till here, any doubt is there? Ask me. Kevin? Kevin, is it clear? Kevin. Kevin left.
Yes, sir. Kevin
Yes,
left.
sir.
रहता है।
आप कितने कॉन्सेशन कर सकते हैं?
Question number 30 is over. 31.
Sir, if the meeting ends, should we join?
Question number 31 now. Yes, ma. Any doubt, ma?
No, if the meeting ends, should we join
Your
back?
voice unable to hear you.
If the meeting ends, should we join back, sir? Because less than 1 minute is there.